Tagalog time. This is the Tagalog language. Thank you for watching the video. Fish. It's the beach. Dagat. Ang dagat, kaparehas niya lang po ang Bicol, or they are the same words if I translate it. Bed, higaan. Human, tao. Bado or clothes, damit. And the last one is very simple. Eyes, mata. Eyes or yellow.